decided to go to Big Mountain because it is like already in front of me. So if I walk back and come here again, it's gonna take time. So I'm just gonna here. I think I'm just gonna be here until 3. After 3, I'm gonna go to the other area, I guess, maybe. So yeah, let's see. I'm waiting for the roller coaster ride and forget the name, but I'm waiting for it. I don't know why I go here. It's like I already found it like in front of me, so I was like, why not I give it a try? I'm wearing like this, and I want to ride a roller coaster. Like really? Let's see how it goes. Okay, right now I'm waiting for the ride. So here is the ride. So yeah, but I cannot record it, but just gonna show you guys my experience later on. Guys, I just ride the roller coaster just now. Guys, the roller coaster was so freaking fun. It's go by like so fast. I was like legit holding my bag and also my water bottle. Luckily, it didn't come out anywhere, but it was so freaking fun. I just waited for less than an hour. It's not really an hour, so I can give it like 9 out of 10. It was really, really fun, and also like the line, even though like 60 minutes, but it like goes by like so freaking fast. Like it is like less than 60 minutes. Like I'm supposed to finish at around 1:20, but it's just like 2:20, but now it is like 2:05. So like it goes by so freaking fast. So it's really, really good. The ride was so good. Here, I had so much fun. Like even though I'm wearing like this, I was like, I need to ride a roller coaster. I need to give it a try. I don't care even though I wear a skirt. Roller coaster is like still my favorite ride. So it was really, really fun, and it is like really, really worth it, guys. So right now I'm thinking of, I really, really wanted to go to the Rapunzel. So I was speaking to people here like Rapunzel. I really, really wanted to go to the Rapunzel. I'm gonna record Beauty and the Beast. Already found it, but I want to go to Rapunzel first, then only Beauty and the Beast, because I already wear like kind of Rapunzel kind of thing, like purple pink thing. So I want to go to Rapunzel first, then only Beauty and the Beast. Like that. Let's go to Rapunzel. I really, really want to go to see the Rapunzel, guys. I've been like delaying it because like this area is like on the left side, so I was thinking of like covering this area first, then only go to another place. This is the area. That's the American kind of thing. It's fine and it's really, really hot. Luckily I go there, I can like filling out the water. They also have a kind of like water dispenser kind of thing. So it's really, really good actually. So right now I'm just gonna walk back to the place I came from to go to Rapunzel and see. I never found the Rapunzel house yet, so like, I'm gonna go and have a look first. So come with me. Let's go. Right now I have Cinderella Fairy Tale Home. Rapunzel is at Disney Sea, not Disneyland. I was confused. So I go to Disney. Yeah, I go to Cinderella. Cinderella is my favorite Disney character when I was a kid. Even until now. I love it, so I decided to come here. After that, I'm gonna go to a different place. I keep on changing the plane, but the more important thing is to keep hydrated, guys. Luckily, there's like a place to fill up the water. Cinderella. Once upon a time. Okay? There is like a Cinderella shoes here, so yeah, you can just sit here and huh? Okay. Okay Hey guys, I just done visit the Cinderella Hall. There's so many places exit here. Oh yeah, oh, it is inside. It is so like included inside the castle. So very cool. Princess is window. I need to be careful. Like this, the view. So I already go in Cinderella Fairy. It is 10 out of 10. It is not like a ride. It's like a how I'm gonna say this. It is like more like place that they have like all the Cinderella pictures, the shoes, the kind of castle that you guys see when inside the movie, right? I'm really into Cinderella actually. Like so freaking beautiful. The castle itself, and also there's like a shoes. Remember the Cinderella shoes? It was there, so I was like, someone help me take pictures with my shoes fitting inside the hill. So I was like, I was waiting for my Prince Charming to actually come to me. I'm already a princess, but where is my Prince Charming? Right? Where is it? Where is it? Maybe I need to left my shoes first, maybe. That's the only way my Prince Charming gonna come, I guess. I'm just joking. Don't take it seriously. So right now, I was looking for the Beauty and the Beast. I'll go to the Beauty and the Beast. I was to make a mistake because I thought like the Rapunzel one is in here, but it's not in here. It's like Beauty and the Beast in here, so I'm gonna walk with. I can't really remember where I came from. But as I remember, I was like coming from that side. Where is it? I can't really like read the map, you know? Like every time I see the map, I was like, what is this, man? What is this? I was searching for the Beauty and the Beast. Where is it? Where's green? I don't know, guys. Wait, I can't really remember. I saw it when I come here in the morning. I saw the Beauty and the Beast park, but I didn't go in because like the waiting time is like almost like 2 hours something, so I didn't go. So I was like, right now, that's the Beauty and the Beast. Can't really like hear anything. But is it like Beauty and the Beast? Is it Belly? Yeah, Belly's here. So that's my prince. No. They're also like Toy Story. I'm gonna go there later on. But right now, where is like the Beauty and the Beast? Oh yeah, I think they're over there. Because like, it is like inside the castle, so yeah, so nice here. It's like, you know, like the belly town. So nice, guys. Oh, this is the Prince Charming things. So nice. Wait, look at this. So beautiful. Caston, is it? Yeah, Caston. Oh, so cute. about this part is like the water dispenser is like literally everywhere, so I can fill up my waters to stay hydrated. It is important, guys, because like it's so freaking hot, so you need to drink lots of water. I thought I don't want to eat any drink any water, but it's really important to drink water, guys. If not, I don't know what to say. Guys, so just now I just finished the Beauty and the Beast ride. It was so freaking fun. I was like, the Beauty and the Beast ride, I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10 because like the waiting time is supposed to be 70 minutes, but I think it is like less than that. Like I was lining out and I want to like sit for a while, but the line keep on going on, and so I'm like, it's like very fast actually. Like it goes by, the time goes by inside very fast, so I don't really feel like I was waiting too long inside. And the ride is so freaking fun. Like it was like the best ride I've ever ride in my entire life, and literally at the end of the ride I legit wanted to cry because like it was so freaking touching, like the story and everything, like the show and everything, like so touching. I really like so far. Beauty and the Beast is the best ride at this theme park by now. So yeah, right now I'm just sitting here because I didn't sit for like the whole day. I just walked, so I'm sitting for a while, and I already like fill up the water for me to drink. Luckily there's like lots of water fill up place for the water dispenser, so I can fill up like water anytime I wanted. So right now I'll just sit. I need to plan where to go after this. So yeah, look at this, so cute, my Minnie Mouse necklace. So I'm gonna see first where I'm gonna go next. So it is now like 4-5. I want to watch like the parade. So cute. I want to watch the parade at 5, but now I have roughly 1 hour, so I was planning what to do. Maybe roughly around 40 minutes because I want to be at the parade area because I don't know where's the parade area. So yeah, I'm just sitting here. I'm gonna plan where to go next after this. Okay, so right now I'm at Town. I don't know what is this place, but I think I'm just gonna go and explore what's in here. So let's come and see me. Hey, I think I'm gonna go here. Mini store. Maybe? I don't know. Just go, they say like have photo kind of thing. Maybe I can take picture with Minnie Mouse here. I wear Minnie Mouse necklace, so why not, right? So here's the view. So beautiful. I'm in the Minnie Mouse something. I don't know why. I'm just going out here, in here, so we can just like sit in. So nice. Minnie Mouse kind of thing. I just finished the Minnie Mouse house. I take picture with the Minnie Mouse, and then I show Minnie Mouse that I got this necklace, and she said like kawaii, kawaii. I got pictures with Minnie Mouse. It's so cute because I'm wearing like this Minnie Mouse necklace, right? So I was like, oh, I want to take picture with Minnie Mouse, and I got to take picture with the Minnie Mouse. It's so cute. Such a beautiful things to do in here. It's like kawaii. What's this? There's like another right here, which I don't know why. What rock? I was wondering what this. Guys, update. The parade is supposed to be on 5 at 5. Getting cancelled because it's too hot. And then I want to go to the stage, but they said like the stage talking in Japanese, and I need to answer like I don't even know any of the Japanese though. So I think I'm just gonna walk. Oh yeah, there's like Baymax. I'm gonna see how long is the waiting time. I was thinking of going to Mickey Mouse, maybe Baymax. I don't know yet. And Winnie the Pooh, but Winnie the Pooh like the waiting time is too long. Got another one coming up at at 7. Yeah, 7. So I need to arrange my time. And let's see how it goes. By the way, I love my outfit today with my Minnie Mouse necklace. Thank you to my mom. She's the one that gave me suggestion. Buy this and also this one. Okay, to show you guys. I got this bracelet, the Cinderella bracelet. So Yeah, let's see how it goes right now. I decided to go for Winnie the Pooh since I have like 1 hour something, so I decided to go for the Winnie the Pooh now. That is 1 hour, but we're gonna see how it goes. I just ride the Winnie the Pooh just now. I didn't record it because I just want to enjoy the moment, because Winnie the Pooh is my favorite childhood cartoon. So I decided to not record it, but it's really fun. The waiting time is supposed to be like 1 hour, but it just takes around less than 40 minutes, so it's really nice. So I'm gonna give the Winnie the Pooh, I think Winnie the Pooh can be like 8 out of 10. It's like really good, and yeah, just like the speaking in Japanese, that's all, but everything is like really good.
遥か空の彼方、雲の上にきらめくお城がある。そこは勇気と希望の物語が息づく夢のような場所。さあ飛び立とう。自由の風に身を任せて、そして可能性を切り開くんだ。
おっと手綱を締めてゆけ。
ああ、ペガサス、待っててね、お父さん。
そう、その調子だ。
頑張るぞ、弱音吐かず今はもう怖くない最後までやり遂げるさ、本当のヒーローになる日ま
とかグルート。神経伝達物質の数値が上昇しました。
Mademoiselle.
Hi guys. Okay guys, now it is 8:35. I'm still at Disneyland here. Okay, just now I just finished watching the firework things, the show. It's not firework is suspended. It was like another one. And also the parade. This was so freaking beautiful. So I just finished both of them, like the show at the Disney Castle and also the parade take on over. I've recorded like a few footage which which I'll already share for you guys. So I think of ending my vlog for today here because it's already 8:35. I'll go out around 9 something. At 9, yeah, before 9 I'll go out. And I think I would like to end this vlog at this castle. Okay? Okay, wait guys. Is it okay? Alright guys, so today has been amazing. From the morning I was here like around 9. Yeah, before 9 I was here. Then I read all the rides that I wanted. I go here and there, take a picture, videos, and with the light show behind me at the castle and also the parade, it was like amazing. It's such a fun experience in here. It is my first time and it has been like my childhood dream since I was like a kid to go to Disneyland. And now finally I'm at Disneyland, so it has been like the whole day I'm here. I'm really grateful for this opportunity, like alhamdulillah, because like this is my childhood dream though, because I've never been to Disneyland before. Like look at this guys, it's so beautiful, right? So I was thinking of ending my Disneyland vlog there in here. After this, I think I'm just gonna go take bus to the hotel, buy some chocolates, and yeah, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow gonna be another adventure, but I don't know whether I'm gonna record it or not. Let's see how. But for today, for Disneyland vlog, I'm gonna end it in here. It has been like an amazing day from the morning till the night, and yeah, I feel like I'm princess today. Yeah. And I'm here by myself, so yeah, it has been really amazing. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching until now for this vlog. It has been amazing, full day amazing here and there. It was tiring, the weather was freaking hot actually, but it was actually a really fun experience to be here though actually. So I think yeah, that's it for Disneyland vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this is my dream come true, and I think that's it for this vlog. I'm so sad to end it, but yeah, it has been an amazing day, and thank you guys so much for watching. So like sayonara, bye bye, and also like good night from Tokyo Disneyland, and that's the end of the vlog, and see you guys in another vlog. So bye.